Welcome to our channel. I'm IEI Product Manager John. Today we are in CIIF for the live streaming. Today I'm going to introduce our latest product, IEI Parcel Network Appliance. Okay, next slide. This is our agenda here. And first, I want to show you some business opportunity of network appliance, including a proprietary network appliance and UCPE customer universal customer premise equipment. And we can also use a parcel series for the edge computing and the AI inference system. And finally, I will show you about IEI Parcel series and IEI PULM series. Okay. So first of all, I want to talk about business opportunity of IEI Parcel. In any enterprise in the IT room, we have some network appliance. There are two kinds. One is for the infrastructures, and the other kind is for the cybersecurity. So you can see a lot of network appliances here. First, for the network infrastructure, we have router, WAN, acceleration, or switch, load balance, or DNS equipment. For the cybersecurity, we have a firewall, UTM, IPS, IDP, or antivirus, anti-worm. Okay, these these plans are very popular. So what can we do? We can see the market share here. There are over 3,000 cybersecurity companies in the world, and in 2021, we have a market share about 11 billion USD dollars in the market. So the opportunity is very big. So we can use our parcel series for the hardware, and if you can provide like a software installed in our parcel series, and that would become a final good. Like we can be a router, SD-WAN, switch, load balance, or UTM, antivirus, anti-worm, or firewalls. Okay, this is the first opportunity, business opportunity of parcel series. And the second one, I want to introduce about UCPE, Universal Customer Premise Equipment. So in UCPE, we usually talk at the same time we talk about NFV. NFV is stand for Network Function Virtualization. Okay, we can now virtualization technology is very popular in PC industrial. Now we can also use the virtualization technology in network appliance. So in this picture, you can see our parcel series could be the hardware, could be a UCP here, and on our UCP we can install different kinds of virtual machine. On the virtual machine, we can install the different kinds of virtual network function, VNF here. So usually, if we want to create a network environment, we will buy some switch, router, firewall, or anti-spam, like four equipments, 4 devices. But now we can use one device to install 4 kinds of virtual network functions in one UCPE. So we can save a lot of devices, and we can save a lot of energy here. So this is advantage of UCPE. So first of all, we can see the first, the advantage of UCP one is that we can use the standard hardware, open software, and scalable solution. So with this kind of technology, the solution is less complex, and it can support more flexible, okay, low power and low cost. And the most important thing is it can support central deployment or zero-touch deployment. That is the big advantage of UCP and the NFV technology. So lots of telecom and network operators, they take this advantage to create their own server or their own service. For example, they can purchase like standard hardware like a parcel series, and they can install different kinds of VNF, and after VNF they can provide several kinds of service. For example, like SD-WAN. SD-WAN is the most popular now, okay, and the SD-WAN is stand for software defined WAN. Okay, this is also there's also a big opportunity, business opportunity now. SD-WAN service revenue will going to like 8 billion in 2021, and the annual growth rate is very big. It's almost about 70%. Deadline, open pattern, and open stack. We create an FB environment, and we also install VFN, virtual network function, PFSense. So this device, our Parcel IN001, is now is a firewall and a router combined solution. Okay, and then now I'm going to talk about edge computing and AI inference computing. So you can see the inside of our Parcel series. You can see there are a standard PCIe card here, and we can also support two network module, IEI network module here, and also M.2 and mini PCIe. So standard PCI can support several kinds of accelerator card like FPGA card, VP, smart NIC, smart network card, or GPU card. This can support our Parcel series to become like AI application. And then we can also support two network modules. So these two network modules can support like 1G, 2.5G, 5G, 10G, or 25G. The speed is getting higher and higher. In the future, we are going to have 100G. Okay, and for the M.2 and the mini PCIe, we can use the M.2 and the mini PCIe to create a wireless environment to support like a Wi-Fi card, 3G card, 4G card, or LTE card. So, okay, this is our hardware design here. So, and our Parcel series also can support like a redundant power. And this is our advantage of UCPE. So as I mentioned, the most important advantage is zero-touch deployment. So we can use this NFV technology to deploy our edge computing or AI inference system with NFV technology. So how do we deploy edge system, edge computing system, or AI inference system in the edge side? So first, we just send out our equipment and insert the accelerator cards inside. And the next step, we can use the centralized deployment technology to deploy the network function in our UCPE. Then our UCPU has, and then our UCPs have basic network environment or basic network environment or security. And the next step, we can implement or we can deploy our application or training model in our UCP, in our puzzle series. So it's very easy to deploy the network function and our application, like edge application, AI application in our UCPE. So puzzle series are perfect edge computing and AI inference computing. First, we have NFV technology and NFV orchestration function for the zero-touch software deployment. And the second, we have a rich connectivity, like we can support RJ45, SFP, SFP Plus, and SFP28, different kind of connect. And we can also support different kind of speed. First, we can support 1G, 1.5, 5G, 10G, and 25G. And the last, we can also insert different kind of accelerator card, like VPU, GPU, FPGA, and we can also insert the smart NIC, smart network card. Okay.